Find or read reviews that people are talking about Scatach V10 10000A car jump starter. Why you should choose Scatach V10 10000A car jump starter. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. The Scatach V10 10000A car jump starter is a powerful and versatile device that will instantly start a battery with 10,000 amp starting power up to 70 times, making it suitable for emergency situations. It is compatible with all gasoline or diesel engines, including regular cars, vans, trucks, trailers, factory trucks, yachts, lawnmowers, backhoes, tractors, and auto repair stores. Enhanced safety technology. With its comprehensive safety features and full metal casing, this car jump starter ensures safe use even in extreme temperatures. Prioritizes safety with comprehensive protection features, including overcharge, overcurrent, short circuit, reverse connection, low/high temperature, overvoltage, overload, spark, and reverse charging protections. 400-watt inverter. Features a 400-watt inverter with two AC 110-volt outlets for charging small household appliances. Also includes a 5V/3 amp output USB port for quick charging of cell phones and tablets. Its portable design makes it perfect for on-the-go use, making it a must-have accessory for any vehicle owner. The built-in ultra-bright 400 lumen LED light offers 3 modes: illumination, flash, and SOS, providing light and emergency signaling capabilities. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.